spent half a day on these action figures. How am I going to restore it all now? I guess Fluffy and Cookie were running around playing and ruined everything. That's right. Most probably their paws are behind it.
Hiya! What are you up to here?
Well, gotcha!
What? Where? Why?
You better tell us. Why did you ruin my Legos?
I swear, it's not my handiwork. I was just running and then BAM! It collapsed by itself.
So what are we going to do with your destructive talent?
Maybe we can just play.
We better make a toy for you to destroy.
Guys, if you like Lego as much as Sue does, then comment below. But if you enjoy ruining it like myself, then give a thumbs up below the video.
I guess the best toy for destruction lovers is a tabletop Angry Birds game. For the base layer, we'll need cardboard pieces like this.
Hooray! We're ready to play.
Did you mean destroy?
Whatever. I'll go and rebuild your Lego. Otherwise, you'll keep blaming me.
So now we have a nice game board like this. Now we prepare the pieces for our targets. The sides should be equal. That's why a ruler really comes in handy.
Sue, do you know why the game's called Angry Birds?
Maybe because the birds have a bad temper?
Think a bit harder.
Well, I've never come to think about it.
Fine, then the last hint.
Sam, I haven't played Angry Birds for ages. I don't remember.
But how can you forget it? Guys, do you remember why the birdies were so angry and what the pigs have to do with that? Comment below so Sue can read it later.
Okay. I'll definitely read everything the guys are going to write. I've made 6 cubes, but it seems that it's not enough.
Sure it's not. I will destroy it from the first blow!
Yeah. I forgot that we have the destruction champion in the house.
I thought you weren't angry with me anymore.
Well, now I'm not angry at all. So I decided to make some extra pyramids. And we'll also use them as targets. Pyramids combined with cubes will make more complicated figures, which are not that easy to destroy. The parts for our targets are ready, but we need to make a slingshot.
So, what's the problem?
It has to be the Angry Birds slingshot, and I have no idea what it could be made out of. Pencils are not easy to secure, sticks are too fragile, not to mention the straws.
Let's make the base from sticks, reinforce it with straws, and glue pencils all over.
Yeah, you're definitely a cosmic constructor. Let's better stick to our old way and use cardboard.
That's not interesting. Anyone can do it from cardboard.
To have a durable slingshot, we'll make it out of 4 layers.
Sue, I cut out 3 more.
Great, bring them here. We need more glue so everything is secured nicely.
Sue, don't forget the elastic band.
Sure, a slingshot without a rubber band is totally useless.
Whoa, keep that slingshot away from me, please.
Oh, come on, it's not loaded. So let's get back to our cardboard business. Sam, these are our future piggies. Cut them out and stick the pictures on.
This doesn't look like pigs at all. Well, I'll figure it out.
And these 4 circles will be the base for the slingshot. It has to be in proportion to our slingshot. Then the structure will be steady. Then we carefully glue our cardboard together. For the stability of our base layer, I'll add a bearing as well. You can also use another small but heavy object.
Sue, everything is done at its finest.
Awesome, Sammy! I'm almost done here as well.
You have only cardboard here. Not a big deal. Sticking the pictures nicely. This is what I call a challenge.
Boom! I'm done! We can start assembling the game. Guys, if you like Angry Birds as much as we do, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Hurry! Let's assemble the game.
First, we have to cut out a hole in the playing field. It has to be the same diameter as the bearing. Now we install our slingshot. At the opposite side, we need to put our cubes and pyramids.
Can I?
Sure, you can build something more complicated.
Building things isn't for me. You'd better do it.
Yeah, we kind of forgot about your talent for destruction.
It's just that today I'm supporting the birds. Sue, don't you think that no one will guess that it's the Angry Birds game?
Why? We have birds and piggies here.
And just the cardboard around.
Well, that's reasonable. Let's stick a picture to the board.
No worries. I took care of it already. Don't move. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oopsie, I forgot to place our piggies. It looks awesome, just like in the game.
Here! Look how cool it is!
Wonderful. Now everyone knows that you support the birds. Let's stick your picture right in the middle of the board.
Guys, which angry bird is your favorite? Comment below. Holy cannoli, just look at this masterpiece! I can't wait to start the game. Angry Sam is ready to destroy!
Let's get to it.
You go first, Susie.
And... boom! Yes! There you go, Piggy. And awesome! Yay!
Whoa, and this level is tougher, just the way I like it.
Now we'll see a real expert at work.
I am Mr. Destruction!
Guys, if you liked our idea with the Angry Birds game, then give this video a thumbs up.
And tell your friends about our channel. Bye-bye!